Well, good morning and welcome back yet again. Today, Monday, the first Monday of Old Boots on Tour of Dorset. I'm just on my way to go and meet up with them at the caravan park that they're staying in. They were very lucky with the hotel they stayed in on the Saturday night. A couple of chaps ran it, absolutely brilliant. So if you're ever down in the Weymouth area, there's a hotel on Dorchester Road called Hudson's, and it's a adult only hotel, so they don't take kids there, so it's not a kinky pervert hotel, adults only. It's just a lot more pleasant not having screaming kids when you're trying to get your head down and everything. But yeah, really good hotel, really looked after them. A couple of helpful chaps, let them leave all their luggage and bags and everything there while they had a ride around, because obviously leaving it on the bike is always a risk of getting it nicked. So yes, if you're ever down, Hudson's, Dorchester Road, highly recommend that. But today we are off to Cheddar Gorge. We're going to take him right down through the gorge, park up, and I believe we're going to go in the caves as well. And of course, in Cheddar, they still store cheddar cheese in the caves, as it is the best temperature for it. So hopefully we'll get to see all that. I'll try and catch it on film in there as well. I mean, the 5 Pro has got not night vision, but super night or whatever they call it now. Now I got to ride Henry's Transalp yesterday, and I've got to admit I was mightily impressed with that. Yeah, we're just pulling onto the campsite now where they're staying. As you can see, it's a nice, clean, well-kept site. I'm sure we'll get to Attila the Hun, the Gunga. Oh no, is he there? Hi, bud. I'm just meeting up with a lot from 145 West Lawn, and then we're off out for the day. All right, bud. Cheers. Caravan Old Boots. Okay. Right, so what we're going to do first with them today is a little place just outside of Dorchester called Cerne Abbas, and they've got a carving of a man into the hillside. He's naked and he's got the biggest boner you'll ever see in your life. So I've said to Henry, if we stop there, he can put the drone up and send it over to the carving in the hillside. You can see it much better from above. So we're going to be coming up to the Cerne Giant in a couple of minutes. Henry can go and inspect the man's pecker. Lovely little village. Minturn Magna. One thing they are finding though, I mean, to me this is a lovely warm sunny day, but obviously for them they're finding it a bit colder than what they're used to. Even though, as I say, it's nice and sunny and we'd class this as a nice warm day. Okay, so now we start going through the gorge proper.
Gorgeous.
Sometimes you can see goats on the edge.
And now
we're going down there through Cheddar Village, and there's a car park, free parking for motorbikes, and there's a cafe there as well to have coffee.
Yeah, okay, we do that.
Oh, lovely too.
Are you filming?
Wow. I should have. Okay. You got pavement.
You're the king. Okay, I will take a picture of you bringing me back.
Oh, sheep. Not rabbits.
No.